Okay, so Assalamualaikum and good morning. So how you guys this new semester? Right, so coming back to UTP after for a few, how many years? 10 years?
2 years.
Oh man. All right. So as you know, we are on a hybrid mode, so let's ask our friends online. So those of you online, so are you guys, do you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
so loud and clear, huh? So yeah, apologize for delay. I mean, I'm having problem with my account here, so I couldn't open my account, my online account. So I have to use my Gmail account. But that's the way. That's okay. We'll uh, go through this session. Okay. Okay. So make sure you're in the right class. MEB 2083, Thermodynamics 2. And this hall number 1, lecture hall 1, and you guys in the group B in online. So this hybrid class. So you should know that those in hall here should be in group A. So group A, so I've updated your list. I mean group A and group B, those who register late. So I've updated that. So make sure you're in the right group. So any of you who are not, who don't know where your group is, any of you like, because I heard that you guys have problem with U campus to register. So I hope now everything's settled. And supposed to be thermodynamics 1. I mean, I heard thermodynamics 1, they are about 111 students, right? But now on the list, I only got 105 only, 105 only. So we are missing like 6 students. Okay, so, and all of you are from MEB cohort, right? Any one of you from MDB? MDB, do you know your friend from MDB cohort? No, okay, that's good. That would make my life easier. There's, different cohort. I mean, yeah, sometimes we got a problem. Okay, so thermodynamics 2. So you have gone through thermodynamics 1. Yep, so basically we'll be using the same textbook that you have gone through. So remember your textbooks. So I hope you have went through your textbook 1, right? Your textbook. Yunus Changle. Yeah, the one thermodynamics engineering approach 8th edition. Right? You still have it, right? So do you have it with you in the class? Group A? No. PDF file. Okay, so how do you got a PDF file for textbook? I thought that you have to purchase it on the physical book. What? Okay. All right. So okay. So yep. So just we go to the schedule. So yeah, so this is the latest schedule. I mean, the same. Actually, it's not the latest one. We're trying to add more session for the lab because you're going to have 4 experiment, and the admin will give out only 2 lab session here, lab 1 and lab 2. So yeah, I'm still waiting for the admin to provide us another 2 session. So and you will only need to perform 4 experiment in a group throughout the semester. So we will try to sort it out. I mean, all the lab session, and then we'll open up for registration for the lab session. Okay, so yeah, please bear with us, and we will the lab session will start on week 3. Okay, so and on Monday there will be tutorial, so 2 to 4 tutorial. So this is will be online mode, and all of you will be here on tutorial. So because that's the direction of the UTP tutorial will be online mode MST team. So I will create a MST class for that. So, and our class will be on Friday, 8 to 10, hybrid mode. So there will be two groups, Group A and Group B. So this week will be Group A coming to the class. Group B will be online. So next week, you guys will swap. So Group B will be in the class and Group A will be online. Okay, so make sure that that will be consistent throughout the semester. I mean, I don't want to that you switch groups all the time. I mean, unless you have a valid reason and you can come to me that you know you need to do that. But yeah, we because attendance will be taken, so you need to maintain your group A and group B. Okay, so any questions so far on this arrangement? So we have lab, we have a tutorial, we have class. All right, so that's the mode of this hybrid uh, class, okay, for MEB 2083. So just check on group A list, right? So should be 53 students here. So yeah, I think we're missing like few students on group A list. Should be 53 students. So for group B, I mean, it should be 52 students presented online. And we got only, okay, few students missing online. So, oh, I don't know, maybe some of you is here, group B. Anyone group B in here in the classroom? Okay, so no, okay, good. So this, okay, so remember, I mean, attendance is compulsory. 90% attendance must be fulfilled. If not, then we can bar you to come to the final examination. Right. So this semester, I mean, there will be maybe a final examination will be physically mode in physical mode. So no more EA. I mean, hopefully. So if Omicron does not become devastatingly spread throughout the nation, so right, so we are hopefully that we can go back to normal, right? So now it's a transition phase, so we on this hybrid mode. Okay, so let's look into the overview of the lesson plan for MEB 2083. So I've uploaded this lesson plan on Ulearn, so you can check it out on yourself. So yep, so my name is Dr. Mio Azman bin Mio Said. So I don't remember teaching you in fluid mechanics 1 or thermodynamics 1. So I guess yeah, we haven't crossed our life yet, right? So right. So yeah, I was born and bred in Ipoh, so just the next hometown, and I so my area is in the thermal fluid, so just my specialty, thermal fluid, fluid mechanics, heat transfer. So I taught heat transfer. I mean, most of the time, and thermodynamics, thermodynamics 2, maybe 5 years ago. So this been quite a long time before I've gone through thermodynamics 2. And okay, and yeah, I did my PhD in University of Southern Queensland, Australia. My master in Washington University in St. Louis, in United States of America. So okay, yeah. So, but my degree is in University Tenaga Nasional, right? So, private university, just like you. My bachelor. All right. So like yeah, I did my research in heat transfer analysis for free piston engine. I mean, that UTP has got is a new kind of engine, the free piston linear generator, which has been developed. I mean, previously with Lotus and Petronas, right? And so I did the heat transfer analysis for that linear generator engine. And recently, I did this collaboration research with the Asian NCAP, the international body that runs this test on a crash test for new cars. So we had that collaboration with them, checking the automated emergency braking for cars. So that's pretty it. I mean, my field is in that automotive and heat transfer, thermodynamics, thermal fluid system, right? Sounds interesting, right? Okay. All right. So yeah, we got a big class here, so yeah, we have no time to introduce every one of you. Huh? So yeah, maybe I'll make forms, and then you can input your details in the form so we can get to know better, right? Okay. So so maybe you guys are taking engineering ETP this semester. Okay, ETP, yeah. So right. So yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe I can get some of you. Maybe I can meet one of you in my group. So I'm not sure. Okay. So so my office is in block 18, level 3, 12. So you can set appointment. I'm available anytime. So just send email if you want to come and see me. So this is my email. So I will be the sole facilitator for this course, right? So I'll be so no other instructor available. So just me. So please pray that I will still be alive, huh? Throughout the semester, and you guys too. So okay, so credit hours 3, prerequisite thermodynamics 1. So you need to pass thermodynamics 1, right? So it's no core requisite. So you need to pass thermodynamics 1. So I guess during this online mode, I mean, we don't know online mode. Most of the students, they score high marks in online mode, right? So I guess you like online mode much more than the normal mode, huh? So we found out, yeah, DTP was surprised that you guys in online mode, you have more outstanding performance in some, okay. So now we see, I mean, because you guys are experiment here, because people are looking at you. Now we are on a hybrid mode. So whether the performance from the online mode and hybrid mode, is it tally or is it become better or become worse? So yeah, so the UTP management are looking at us. Okay. Okay, so like I said, thermodynamics 2 are extension of thermodynamics 1, right? So we're looking at the gas cycles, power cycles, vapor combined power cycle, refrigeration cycle, right? So you should remember what is a cycle, right? Cycle, still remember cycle? In your thermodynamics 1, the definition for cycle, right? Where the state of the matter will start from that origin state, and then it will go on to a process, and we end at the same state, right? So okay, T1, T2, T3, it will go back to T1 and P1 again. Right? So you remember thermodynamics 1? Right? So because I heard that you guys score in thermodynamics 1. I think average you guys get like A minus, B plus. Right? B plus, A plus. Okay, so course learning outcome. So so these are course learning outcomes. So first on analyze on complex engine problem for gas power cycle, vapor combined power cycle. So these are the chapters in your textbook. Conduct investigation and complex engine problem for gas power cycle, vapor. Right. So you can see here we focus on cycle, which is on the device, right? So mainly the device is the engine, reciprocating engine, turbines, gas turbine, air conditioning system, refrigeration system, right? So which you were introduced in thermodynamics 1, but we'll go into detail in thermodynamics 2. And then the third outcome, that you will function effectively as an individual and as a group member through project presentation and report writing. So we're going to have a project here, right, in thermodynamics 2. So we're going to do that in groups. So textbook, so same as what you have done in thermodynamics 1. So use this by Yunus Chengel and M.A. Bowles. So by McGraw-Hill. So 8th edition, so make sure that you got the 8th edition. So although there's a new one by 9th edition, but we want to maintain it with thermodynamics 1, so we'll use the 8th edition. But if you, because maybe it's not available in the UTP bookstore, I mean, so yeah, maybe you can get the new one. So the new one, maybe the numbers, the assignment number may be different, but the content is mostly the same, right? So these are additional textbook that you can refer to: Principle of Engineering Thermodynamics and Fundamental of Engineering Thermodynamics. All right, and we go to the assessment summary, right? So these are the breakdown for the course. Assignment 2%, right? Assignment will be done individually and also maybe in groups, right? And quiz is 6%. So quiz is mostly online, so it will be multiple choice. And group project is 8%, right? And labs is 4%. So you got 4 experiments, so 1% each. And exam 1, 15%, exam 2, 15%, and final exam 50%. So, but this is tentative. This if there's a possibility of physical final exam mode. If online, they will be extending assignment again, and the breakdown will be different, right? So, but this is tentative if we still on this physical final exam mode. Okay, so any question on this course breakdown? Okay, so if no question, then okay, general rules, right? So general rules, yeah, please bring textbook to class. Okay, so yeah, this is from a previous course lesson outcome. So yeah, I mean, I know it's not practical sometimes to bring textbook to class, but you know, because I always put the notes before the class, so you can yeah, browse through your notes online. So yeah, so one is conditional, number one is optional, number one is optional. So up to you whether to bring your textbook to class or not. So attendance is compulsory for both lecture and tutorial. So tutorial is compulsory as well. There will be attendance taken, and tutorial, like I said, will be online, right? So I will make a MS Team class and invite all of you into that MST class. Right, so 90% attendance must be fulfilled. If not, you're going to be barred in the final exam. Do not swap lecture group without permission, right? Group A and Group B should be maintained throughout the course. So yeah, so we're going to use forms yeah, for quiz. You learn punctuality in class attendance, right? So yeah, you cannot be late to the class. Plagiarism, right? So yeah, this is a serious offense. Plagiarism for Simon's project. So make sure that you don't copy your friends anything. So I know that, you know, this day and age, there's a lot of ways to copy from your friends, huh? But please, you know, please try to be disciplined yourself, you know, because this you doing university days is where you train yourself to be disciplined and maintain your integrity, because you know, because you have to yeah yeah, make sure that you try to keep yourself in a good way, right? So not to maybe that you have choice. I mean, because you know, because university cannot control you that much, but you know, you have choice whether you know when to make it the right way or using the wrong way, right? So yep. So if you get caught, I mean, it'll be serious offense, and yeah, mostly you get 0 marks for the overall course, not just the assignment or not just the exam test, but for the overall course, because the plagiarism is a serious offense. When I study in overseas, US and Australia, I mean, if you got plagiarism, even assignment, you'll be not only you got zero, but you'll be exterminate. You'll be out of the university because it's a serious offense, and you know his integrity is a very big issue. I mean, because if you make that offense, no one will trust you. The trust is lost because they know that you cheat something, and yeah, so the trust is cannot be, you know, you cannot get it back. It's very hard. So this is a very serious offense. Okay, so take it. So that's why now, I mean, you know, you need to build up your character. I mean, it's the university. It's time where you build up your character. I know. Yeah, so I've been like you all. I mean, but you know, you have to build your character day by day, okay, to achieve that good integrity. Uh, yeah. Okay. So any question? Right. So this just introduction to the course online outline. So you can yeah, browse it back on your ULearn.
Sir,
Yes.
sorry. For exam one, will it be done online, physical?
Exam one, exam two. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Yeah, exam one, exam two will be done online. Right. So that's maybe a good news or bad news for you. Online one, yeah, we have to do it online. But final exam, that is still subject to discussion. But yeah, trying to work it to be a physical final exam. Because I know you guys missed the exam hall, right? Chancellor Hall. No. Maybe you're fed up doing the extended assignments at your home, right? There's too much distraction. WhatsApp group. Yes. Okay, so we'll take a 5 minutes break before we move on to the next section of the class. All right, so we'll take a 5 minutes break.
Tota. Halo Tota.